Check-check mo nga ako. Sigurado ka ba dyan sa sinasabi mo?
Oo, legit to. Tingnan mo, text sa akin ni Erin, no? Tinangay na nga ni Bingo si Ling.
Seryoso? Nay, yung apo mo talaga, Nay. Ang hilig gumawa ng eksena.
You know, I don't want to burst the bubble. Di ba delikado ito? Say, come on. Tinangay ni Bingo si Ling. That is kidnapping. Tapos, kung balikan siya ng mga Jew, di ba nakakatakot yun?
Wait a minute. Hindi kidnapping ang tawag doon. Tanan, itinana ni Bingo si Ling.
Talaga?
Who's that Bingo?
He's a nobody. He's delusional, Chatty.
Bingo is Caroline's true love.
What? We are going to fix this, okay? Don't worry about it. Don't mind that thing. Yeah, just
Jersey, why am I not sad?
He's a social climber.
Kasi are true friends, Stephen. Ay talagang mahal ni Miss Caroline.
And like I've said before,
Kapag nagmamahal ka, it means caring more about the other person's happiness more than your own.
don't you so?
Please, we can work this out. Mababawi namin si Caroline, I promise you. Matutuloy pa rin ang kasal. Oh, really? At talagang kaya mong humarap sa amin at sabihin, matutuloy pa rin ang kasal? Isn't that up to us now?
This is just Bingo stirring things up. Magagawa namin to ng paraan. The police are already looking for them.
The deal is off! Come on, Han.
Let's just go.
Charlie!
I'm sorry, Katrina. Ayaw namin madamay sa gulo ng pamilya niyo!
Please, I'm begging you. Stephen! Stephen, just give us more time, Stephen, please!
Bettina, stop! Have some self-respect.
Why am I not surprised? I'm sure ginusto to ni Caroline.
Bingo, I think we need to call Papa para mabawasan yung complications.
Sige.
Tell the caterer to pack all the food and call my secretary. She knows what to do with us.
Sent to my house too.
Sige po, Miss Gina.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Sama ko na muna sila para makuha ng police report.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you. Who's that?
It's Caroline.
Caroline.
Yes, Caroline.
Pa? I'm sorry. I know you're disappointed and I understand kung magalit kayong lahat sa akin. But I just want you to know na hindi ako kinidnap ni Bingo. I love him. And I cannot fool myself kung magpapakasal ako kay Stephen. Knowing in my heart si Bingo ang mahal ko.
Di ba sinabi ko sa iyo noon na ikaw na masusunod? It's your life, Caroline. I just want you to be safe.
I'm always safe, Ma. As long as I'm with Bingo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come home, kayo ni Bingo, and we'll sort things out.
Uuwi din kami. But for now, gusto muna namin lumayo sa gulo. Kaming dalawa. Spend time together.
I understand. I love you, anak.
I love you too, Papa. So much.
Caroline.
Paano na yung GLC kung hindi matutuloy yung kasal nila ni Stephen?
The future of the company is at stake here, Papa. Pati future namin.
You should just make her come back. Stephen will take her back like this. He's in love with her.
Ako na ang kakausap sa mga tauwet ko. Sila lang pag-asa natin, but you have to convince Caroline to come back.
Wilson, sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, ipapahanap ko si Caroline.
Don't do that, Gina.
Why not?
Okay, Pepsi's coming through!
Seriously? Oh God,
I didn't get one for myself, but this one, Papa, is for you.
Irene.
For letting Caroline follow her heart.
Irene.
What? I'm sorry, but for me, tama yung ginagawa ni Papa. Guys, wake up. It's not the end of the world if we don't get the controlling shares in GLC at mapupunta sa Tanhuecos. If we can't recover from that, then my God, we are bad businessmen. Women. And to us, it just means we disappointed our parents. We went to good schools. We had good education. And we're freaking losers without the family business? Come on! World is big. We can always venture out about businesses. Right? You're welcome.
And as for Gilbert Bautista, nakabantay ang mga pulis sa La Sinfonia